Hi everyone, here is Typus. We've recently updated the front-end interface for withdrawals, making the withdrawal process and interface more streamlined. Now let's look at how to do this on the mobile application. Tap on Apps. Select Typus. Tap Launch. Tap the top left corner. To access your portfolio page, locate your deposited product. Important note, swipe left to reveal the Manage button. Tap Manage. Scroll down to find the Withdrawal section. Go to the Withdraw page. Then enter your withdrawal amount. Tap Withdraw. And your request will be submitted. Similarly, wait until the cycle ends before coming back to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw. And your withdrawal is complete.